So why do we build Astron Health? Well, 10 years ago, Dr. Padman Vamadevan, one of our co-founders, led a study on glioblastoma that used repurposed drugs and resulted in a doubling of life expectancy on average. In fact, the protocol had an even bigger impact for some patients, but had little or no impact for others. Dr. Vamadevan had similar experiences in other types of cancer as well. So why the difference? It was later concluded that the difference in outcome was due to the fact that the treatments being prescribed weren't being matched to each patient's unique cancer profile, and that cancer is incredibly complex. Even in a single cancer type, a one-size-fits-all approach may not be the most effective. That insight led to Astron, a platform that helps patients find the best published research and that points to the most well-evidenced and tolerable treatment options tailored to their cancer. This video explains why personalization is so hard, how Astron solves for this, and how you can get an Astron Research Report yourself. There are over 750 cancer driver genes, but only 46 of these have previously been targeted with approved drugs. Genomic testing can now identify which of these drivers is present in each patient, and there are now over 100,000 studies that explore how to treat them. Our research has already found that with the inclusion of off-label drugs and supplements, that 429 of the known 750 cancer driver genes can be targeted, increasing the number of personalized treatment options by around 10 times. The challenge? Making sense of all that data to find what works for you. So why is it so hard to create a truly personalized protocol for your cancer? Well, firstly, every patient has a unique cancer profile. There are near infinite combinations of driver genes, and no two patients are exactly alike. Furthermore, finding the right treatments requires expert research, but with so much data, it is not so possible to do that research manually anymore. It would just take too long. Lastly, most patients resort to trialing too many options as a result of this, which is both ineffective oftentimes and very hard to tolerate. Astron is your AI research partner, helping you find personalized treatments that can complement your primary care. Astron works with patients at any stage of cancer, from diagnosis to the later stages of the disease. So when looking at Astron's advanced research process, we first conduct a next-generation sequencing test. We then use the results from this test to identify the key drivers of your cancer. Then, our AI research platform analyzes each patient's specific genomic data and then scans the global research literature to match targeted treatment options to those identified drivers. After that, we'll create an Astron Research Report based on the research that identifies the most well-evidenced and tolerable treatment options for your specific cancer at the current disease stage. Lastly, a clinician then turns the Astron Research Report into a personalized treatment plan that can complement your primary care. We already have dozens of top clinicians working with us, and we're starting clinical studies with top institutions to further validate our approach. We understand how stressful cancer can be, and we're here to streamline things, to make sure things are as simple as possible. We're unbiased, and our only goal is to support you as effectively as possible through our research, but also through video call, email, and WhatsApp support. Have any questions? Just reach out. We're here to support you every step of the way.